Hi, and welcome back to the Ucraft Next tutorial series. In this video, we cover how to navigate through the content management system in Ucraft Next to easily update the template's content without altering its design. Let's dive right in and see how it works. From the left panel, access and use either your previously saved blocks or ready-made ones. Alternatively, click the plus button to insert a block exactly where you need it to appear. With layers, see the page's structure and immediately access the needed widget to edit it. Click the eye icon to hide or display any element and get your desired layout. Edit the block's name to organize and easily locate the required one. Make use of the focus mode to fully concentrate on the content and make direct modifications on the canvas. Hover over the needed block to hide it, duplicate, and rearrange its position if needed. Easily make adjustments to your content by clicking on it, either directly on the canvas or through the Properties panel. Switch between languages to adapt your copy for different regions and reach larger audiences. Keep in mind that changes related to e-commerce, such as product name, attributes, price, and other aspects, should be done through the dashboard. Once done, remember to click Publish to save your progress. That's a wrap. Stay tuned for more. Questions? We're just a click away, 24/7.